So the more interesting graves, a memorial. I'm not sure if it's a grave or it's a memorial to him. PC William Frederick Tyler of the Metropolitan Police, number 403 from N Division, was killed at Tottenham whilst bravely doing his duty on the 23rd of January 1909. Now, if you look up Google or Wikipedia something called the Tottenham Outrage, which was an event that happened on that day. It was two individuals basically robbed the wages delivery of a rubber plant or manufacturer, and were pursued, and in the course of that pursuit over 400 shots were fired. It sounds like the Wild West. Several people were injured, and PC Tyler and a young lad, Ralph Jocelyn, was only 10 years old, were both killed, and they had a joint funeral. And apparently, from what I've read, sort of 500,000 people, including about 2,000 police officers, attended, lined the streets, etc. So really sort of lovely little monument there. You can see it's sort of like decorated in the style of the pith helmet, tunic, uniform and sort of belt there. So yeah, Abney Park Cemetery. What I'll do is I'll pop the What 3 Words location for this in the description if anyone wants to come and have a look.